Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with an update to the Day 1 severe weather outlook. Everything's remained the same for a large part since I did my video. There's minor tweaks, so I'm going to go over them. First off, the slight risk did get expanded slightly eastward. And now it also goes into southwest Indiana too, in addition to the other areas that I spoke of earlier. And this Mars had a slight expansion too, southeastward, so yeah. Additionally, the Storm Prediction Center has also issued a second Mars today that covers southeastern Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. Cities today's enhanced include Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Springfield, Missouri. Cities in today's slight include Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, and Lincoln, Nebraska. And cities in today's marginals include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Nashville, Tennessee, and Madison, Wisconsin. So you're going to see what changed since I did my video before, the mid-morning update. Nothing's really changed, really. The tornado threat pretty much remains the same. So I'm not going to touch on that. There is minor tweaks with the wind threat too, so I'll go over it too. So first off, the SPC today has added a 45% chance, a 45% wind risk area for today. The SPC did add a 45% wind risk, and that covers parts of east central and southeastern Kansas, far northeastern Oklahoma, and west central Missouri for that 45%. And so the 30% otherwise remains the same. The 15% remains the same a little bit. It just got expanded slightly. Just had some minor expansions of the 15%, and the 5% from pretty much remains the same too over here. But as of the midday up, but as of the latest update, the SPC has added a second 5% wind risk today, covering southeastern Georgia, southeastern South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. All right. Additionally, so I also want to mention that the Black Dust area pretty much. This is where we have the Black Dust area. The Black Dust area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms today. Alright, the Black Dust area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today from thunderstorms. Alright, areas outside the Black Dust area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Alright, cities in the Black Dust area today include Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Springfield, Missouri. The 45% wind risk today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, Kansas City, Kansas, and Olathe, Kansas. The 30% wind risk today covers Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Columbia, Missouri, and St. Joseph, Missouri. The 15% wind risk today includes Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, Amarillo, Texas, and Springfield, Illinois. And the 5% wind risk areas today include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Nashville, Tennessee, and Omaha, Nebraska. Okay? And now for the hail threat, see if that changed. So, there were some minor tweaks with the hail risk involving an expansion of the 15% hail risk and adding a 30% hail risk. The 30% hail risk today covers parts of Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and northwestern Missouri. Alright? But everything else remains the same. The red area is the 30% hail risk, the yellow is the 15% hail risk, and the brown is the 5% hail risk. And we still have this Black Dust area here that got expanded. The Black Dust area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright? The Black Dust area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter, really, or larger today. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Cities in the black dashed area today include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Lincoln, Nebraska. The 30% hail risk area today includes Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, St. Joseph, Missouri, Salina, Kansas, and Manhattan, Kansas. The 15% hail risk today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, and Overland Park, Kansas. And the 5% hail risk today includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Alright, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are likely today and tonight from parts of the central and southern plains to the lower Missouri and middle Mississippi valleys. Swaths of damaging wind gusts, large hail, and a few tornadoes are all possible. So, that's the update I wanted to give. So anyway, stay safe and infected areas today and tonight. Stay safe and infected areas today and tonight, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Stay safe today and tonight, no matter what risk you're in. Take today. Oh, actually, it is today. So, anyway. Sorry. I almost did the excerpt from, for the day 2. Which, by the way, will come out soon. Alright, the day 2 will come out soon. So again, before you go to bed tonight, make sure you have a way of being notified for severe weather tonight, just in case the threat goes into tonight. Alright? Have something to alert you, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, to wake you up, and if possible, sleep in your safe spot tonight to avoid having to move during the night. Okay? So, and make sure that safe room is on the lowest level of the building you're in. Alright? And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook pretty soon. Take care.